this? It's been like a week. Those were clean now that so and also because we patched the hole from there, I thought we're free of the mice. But look, you guys, there's 2 babies. Oh my gosh. So we still have it in the garage. Let me see if I still have a trap. Do we still have a trap? My goodness. We have 2 babies in the trap. Ah. That was big. What is it? Eagle?
Not an eagle.
Oh. Oh. So now we are going to Walmart so I can grab the mouse trap. My goodness, those are babies.
I don't know where it's coming from.
I'm guessing after you close that.
We got any more bait?
There's still bait in there.
I want to put bait in the crawl space.
Guys, come with me to Walmart. First, I'm going to drive truck. And look, the smallest baits. It looks so small. Quart sandwich. Let's get a snack bag. I think I got a snack bag before. Right here, square. Let's try this. It's only $1.98. Zero sugar. What? How did it become a sweet tea? I guess zero sugar. This one. Let's go over to the oil and mouse trap. Let's go check the clearance out. Just see something. Julian likes black shirts. Colored. Is that Stephanie's shirt? Stitch.
How about something like this, Jamie?
Okay, here. Right here. Ah, let's see. I just need 6 right now.
And then let's go to the oil area.
Okay, so it's fine now. I'm getting this for gasoline and cheese. Yeah, there it is. Ouch.
Okay, now on to the water.
Get water. It's always right here in this corner. This. Okay, so we got home and I'm getting ready to do my mouse trap. Oh, and I'll put peanut butter in them.
Plain nachos. Mom.
Here's my naked burrito. Let's see what's in there. Oh, I should put lettuce. So what is this, you guys? Is it peach or plum? We got
Plum.
wait.
This one,
Is that plum or peach?
got a plum.
It's ripe already. Pick it. Come here.
Take it.
It's already
Take it.
super ripe.
The only one there.
I know, only one. Oh, looks like it's rotten already. It's rotten.
The first plum on a new tree.
The only one. And this like plum. Ah, it's not ready yet. The only one.
Take it.
It's not ready. Yes. And I think this is pear or apple. It's got two fruit. They're so tipid. Ah, this looks like apples. Yep. See? Apples. There's two over there. Three. Actually, five. And this one little tree, look at that. That's just it. But it's full of fruit. Not full, but you know, a lot of fruits for its size. See? See? Wow. A small pear tree with a whole bunch of fruits. Wow! Oh! Oh, kakamungi. Oh. Kamungi kabunga si Mr. Pear. Mrs. Pear. Mama Pear Tree. Oh, diba? Yawan tsaka lukto ang gamay nga ano. Nga puno. Malapit na talaga. Siguro mga end of July or 2 more weeks. They could be almost ready with the yummy plums. Yummy plum. See, ang dami talaga. Wow. Do iba. Do grapes man. To put, put this down in the yard because look at our yard. It's full of
Mold.
what's this?
The moles.
Yeah. So how do we put it?
Here, kill moles.
So what's that? I open that
Yeah.
and then
You put them first, scoop that up and find the hole,
okay.
and then drop the worm in the hole and scoop the dirt back over it. So
How
the
am I
birds
just
won't
put it
eat
like that?
Here, use the gloves. The gloves will help you find.
Okay, let's try this. I got my gloves on.
Dig your fingers, see if you can find the hole.
Right here. Ooh! That's a big hole.
Here, drop this in.
How many?
One.
Oh, this?
Yeah.
Oh, no, other side. Oh, you have to open it.
I don't want to get my hands on it because it's
Oh, okay. Yeah, I get it up. So one in each hole. We have a whole bunch of holes there. Looks like it needs to be open. I don't know how to do this.
Miss Norris is going to put mold killer.
I don't know. It looks like we need scissors. See, I don't think I can just squeeze it in there. Oh. just have to dig right here.
Yeah. I'm watching you.
Right here. Yeah, oh, I got it.
Okay.
Like that. And put down here.
Yep.
And then cover.
Cover it. And put the flag on the outside.
So how do we know that they came there?
You see it.
See where?
You gotta know.
Okay, I'll go more. Probably down here where they
Yeah. Right.
You don't have the video, man. So we have someone riding a horse out there. My goodness. Cowgirls. Is that called cowgirls, I think?
Yeah.